Hi, hello everyone, this is Rupali Talwar and today we are talking about my top 5 favorite tips for makeup beginners. First is double cleanse. Always double clean your face, not just wash it once, wash it twice. Always. Second, primer. Primer is your BFF. It creates a barrier wall between you and the makeup, so it is a must. Third, give warmth to your face, so always apply a little contour under the cheekbones, under the jawline area, onto your nose, on your forehead, maybe here. Yeah. So next is create those poppy eyed effect. For that you have to apply a very light eyeshadow on the lid and apply a colorful eyeliner. It will give an amazing glam effect. Last but not the least, don't forget to the finishing touches. So setting up with the powder, setting sprays are the must. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and bye bye. See you in the next reel.